Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are discussing about powers, roots and indices as well as the standard form. Powers. Powers of a number is when that number is multiplied by itself repeatedly. You see here, this a to the power 1 means a multiplied by once. A to the power 2, a multiplied by 2 times. A to the power 3, a multiplied by 3 times. Therefore, the powers of 3 to the power 1 is 3, 3 to the power 2, 3 into 3, 9, 3 to the power 3, 3 into 3 into 3, 27, likewise. The bottom number is the base number, and the small number, it is power, index, or sometimes exponent. Any non-zero number to the power of 0 equals 1. See, a to the power 0 is 1. 7 to the power 0 is 1. Any number to the power 0 is 1. Roots. Roots of a number are the opposite of powers. This is the notation. Roots of 36 is 6. Every positive number having two plus or minus square roots. So square roots of 36 are plus or minus 6. It is the same digit but having plus or minus. The positive square root can be written as an index of half. This 36 we can write like this. 36 to the power of half equals 6. Yeah, this is for positive numbers. If the square root is negative, it is not a real number. It is complex number. A cube root of 64 is a number that when cubed equals 64. Cube root of 64 is 4 because we can write this 4 to the power 3. The cube root can be written as index of 1/3. So 64 to the power 1/3. 64 to the power 1/3 is 4. Every positive and negative number always has a cube root. The nth root of number is a number that when raised to the power n equals the original number. The nth root of a number, see, x to the power into nth root, this we can write as 1 over n, then n to n cancel, then answer is x. 2 to the power 5 is 32. The fifth root of 32 equals 2 to the power 5 into 1/5. So 5 to 5 cancel, then the answer is 2, this original number. If n is even, there will be a positive and negative nth root. If n is odd, then it is same as cube. The nth root can be written as an index of 1 over n. We can estimate roots by finding the closest power. 3 to the power 3 equals 27 and 4 to the power 3 equals 64. If we want to estimate the cube root of 50, so we know it is in between 27 and 64. So it is in between 3 and 4. Reciprocal. The reciprocal of a number is the number that have to multiply by it by to get 1. So the reciprocal of 3 is 1/3. If we multiply both 3 into 1/3, then 3 to 3 cancel, then answer is 1. The reciprocal of 0.25, 0.25, 4/1/4 is 4. See, the reciprocal means it's going upside down. The reciprocal of 3 over 5 is 5 over 3. The reciprocal of number can be written as a power with an index of -1. 5 to the power -1 is the reciprocal of 5. 5 to the power -3 is the reciprocal of 5 to the power 3. These are the laws of indices. Anything to the power of 1 is itself. So a to the power 1 is a. 6 to the power 1 is 6. When multiplying indices, the powers or index or exponents add together. If multiplying indices, these powers are added. So a to the power m into a to the power n means a to the power m plus n. One example, 4 to the power 3 into 4 to the power 2. No? So 4 to the power 3 means 4 into 4 into 4. And 4 into 4 is 4 to the power 2. So total 5, 4 to the power 5. What we have to do, we have to add together. So 4 to the power 3 into 4 to the power 2 means 4 to the power 5. When indices are dividing, if the base is same, we have to subtract the powers. A to the power m divided by a to the power n, then equals a to the power m minus n. We have to subtract the powers. See the example. 7 to the power 5 divided by 7 to the power 2, 7 5 times and 2 times. So we can cancel these, then remaining 3. No? So 7 to the power 3. So what we have to do, we have to subtract the powers. So when the indices come in like this, we have to multiply these powers. So a to the power m n means we have to multiply these together. A to the power mn. 14 to the power 3 into 2. 14 to the power 3 means 14 into 14 into 14. So it is 2 times. How much it is coming? 14 to the power 6. So what we have to do? We have to multiply these powers. 3 into 2 is 6. Anything to the power 0 is 1. So a to the power 0 is 1. 8 to the power 0 also 1. See, 8 to the power 0, we can write any value, the same value. So 8 to the power 0 also 1. The negative power is the reciprocal. No? So a to the power minus n, we can write 1 over a to the power n. 11 to the power minus 3 means 1 over 11 to the power plus 3. So it is the reciprocal. A to the power 1 over n, we can write like nth root. So 5 to the power half means square root of 5. If 5 to the power 1 over third, cube root of 5. Likewise. So indices come in like this, a to the power m over n. So we can write as this 1 over n is nth root and multiply by m. We can write like this. So nth root of a to the power m. 9 to the power 3 over 2, we can write like this. We can separate half from this. So half means square root 9 to the power 3. Square root of 9 to the power 3. Power outside the fraction applies to both. See, a over b to the nth power. So we can write a to the power n over b to the power n. 5 over 6 to the power 3 means we can write 5 to the power 3 over 6 to the power 3. Flipping the fraction inside changes the negative power into positive power. If the power is negative, see we can change the power to positive, then inside we have to get the reciprocal. So a over b to the minus n means reciprocal b over a into plus n. We can write bn over an. See the example, 5 over 6 to the power minus 2. So what we have to do, we can take positive power and reciprocal, 6 over 5. The calculation like this, 1 over 5 over 6 to the power 2. So 1 divided by this value. So if it is multiplied, this is reciprocal. 6 to the power 2 over 5 power 2. Standard form or standard index form. In standard form, what we are doing, we are writing very big or very small numbers using power of 10. So what we have to do, we have to put the decimal number after non-zero value, and that decimal number, we have to see the decimal number we are shifting to which side. If it is going to right side, it is minus. If it is going to left side, it is positive. Advantages. Write them more neatly. Compare them more easily. Easier to do calculations. The rules. The non-zero value in between 1 and 10. It is greater than or equal to 1, less than 10. The non-zero value means starting from 1 up to 9. N is positive or N is greater than 0 for large numbers. We have to see how many times B is multiplied by 10. N is negative or N smaller than 0 for small numbers. How many times B is divided by 10. So multiply or divide two numbers in standard form. See the example. 3 into 5 means 15. So we have to put decimal after non-zero value. So decimal we have to put here 1.5. This decimal is going this way, left side. So it is going one time. So 10 to the power 1. If 2 divided by 4 means 0.5. Decimal is here, but we have to put the decimal after non-zero value. So we have to put the decimal here. Decimal is going this way, one position. So it is 10 to the power minus 1. Then multiply or divide the powers of 10 using the laws of indices. 3 into 10 to the power 4 multiply by 5 into 10 to the power 3. We can multiply these numbers. 3 into 5 is 15. This 10 to the power 4, 10 to the power 3, the base is same. Then indices we have to add together. So 15, 10 to the power 4 plus 3. We have to put the decimal after non-zero value. So we have to put the decimal here. So 15 we can write as 1.5 into this decimal is going 1 to the left. So 10 to the power 1. And here 10 to the power 7. So again these indices adding together. So 1.5 into 7 plus 1, 8. 7 into 10 to the power 5 minus 6.2 into 10 to the power 5. So 7 and 6.2 we can subtract. And here 10 to the power 5 is common. So we can put outside the bracket that one. 7 minus 6.2 is 0.8 into 10 to the power 5. But here the decimal not in the place of non-zero value. So we have to take decimal here. This is going right side 1. So 10 to the power minus 1 multiply by 10 to the power 5. So base is same, then add together. Minus 1 plus 5 means 4. If two terms multiply together, split the power or root up. See here, A multiply by 10 to the power n and k. This k is common for these two. We can write like this, a to the power k into 10 to the power nk. So kth root, then it is kth root of a into kth root of 10 to the power n. So we can write like this, kth root of a into 10 to the power n over k. Let us work out these questions I have taken from the past papers. Write 0.00000523 in standard form. What we have to do now, we have to put the decimal point after the non-zero value. That means after 5. We have to take the decimal point right side up to here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 positions. So this is minus. So we can write this in standard form, 5.23 into 10 to the power minus 5. 2 to the power p equals 1 over 8 to the power 4. Find the value of p. First of all, we have to write this 8 in the same base. So if this is 2 to the power 3, we can write like this: 2 to the power p equals 1 over 2 to the power 3 into 4. So 1 over 2 to the power 12. Now we can take the reciprocal of this one. So it is becoming minus 12. Then 2 to the power p equals 2 to the power minus 12. So it is in same base. We can take p equals minus 12. Find the value of p when 5 to the power p divided by 5 to the power 8 equals 5 to the power 30. So here this division, then we know the powers are subtracting. Then we can write this as p minus 8 equals 13. Because the base is same. We can write like this: 5 to the power p divided by 5 to the power 8 equals 5 to the power 30. So we can take this 5 to the power 8 this side, then it is becoming multiplication. When the multiplication is happening, these powers adding. So 13 plus 8 equals 21. So 5 to the power p equals 5 to the power 21. Then p equals 21. Here are some numbers written in standard form. Write down the largest number, the smallest number. It is difficult to find out like this because these 10 to the powers are different. So what we have to do, we have to expand these things first. We can expand these standard forms like this. 3.4 into 10 to the power minus 1 means 0.34. Then this one 1.36 into 10 to the power 6. So 1, 2, then another 4 is coming. No? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7.9 10 to the power 0 means any number to the power 0 is 1. So this is 7.9 into 1, it is 7.9. Then 2.4 into 10 to the power 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 5.21 10 to the power minus 3. 1, 2, 3. 4.3 into 10 to the power minus 2. 1, 2. So these are the numbers. The largest number, this value. Yeah, this is the largest number. Smallest number, this is the smallest number. So largest number is 1.36 into 10 to the power 6. The smallest number, 5.21 into 10 to the power minus 3. Simplify. 3 into p to the power 2 into 5. So what we have to do, this one common for these two numbers. So this is 3 to the power 5. P 2 into 5, 10. So 3 to the power 5 means 3 into 3 into 3, 5 times. So 3 multiplied by 5 times. So it is 2 by 4, 3. And this is p to the power 10. 18x squared y 6, 2x y squared. This is division. So we can write like this: 8x squared y 6 divided by 2xy squared. This one next is cancelling here. Y2 is cancelling. So we can simplify like this. For 18, 2 times 9. Then here we can write x. The base is same. Then powers we have to subtract. So x 2 minus 1, y 6 minus 2. Here 9x, y 4. This one also 5 over m to minus 2. This negative power is there, so we can take the reciprocal to get the plus power. So m over 5 to the power 2. We can write this like m squared over 25. M squared over 25. Write 0.00527 in standard form. We know the rule that we have to put the decimal after non-zero value. So these are zeros, so 5 is the non-zero value. This decimal point is going right side, 1, 2, 3. So 5.23 into 10 to the power minus 3. Simplify. 5m squared into 2m cubed. So this base is same, then indices are adding. 5 into 2 is 10, then m, these powers or indices we have to add together. So 2 plus 3 is 5. The answer is 10 into m to the power 5. We have to multiply these powers. So 8 into 3 is 24. Answer is x to the power 24. Find the value of x. 3 to the power minus 2 into 3 to the power x equals 81. 81 we can write as 3 to the power 4. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So the base is same. Then we know the rules of indices. These powers adding. Minus 2 plus x. Otherwise we can write x minus 2 equals 4 because this base is same. So x equals 4 plus 2, 6. The answer is 6. X to the power minus 1 over 3, 32, x to the power minus 2. Find the value of x. X to the power minus 2, we have to take the reciprocal to get the plus 2. So we can write this as x to the power minus 1 over 3, 32. This one x to the power 2 plus 2. Then we can multiply these two. X to the power minus 1 over 3 into x to the power 2 equals 32. 32 we can write as 2 to the power 5. X 2 minus 1/3. This is 6 minus 1, 5. X 5 over 3, 2 to the power 5. So if this is 2 to the power 5, this one also we have to arrange as 2 to the power 5. What we can do, we can write x2 to the power 3 like that. So then 3 to 3 cancel, then 2 to the power 5 is coming. So x is 2 to the power 3 means 8. Here 2 to the power 12 minus 2 to the power 3 over 2 equals 32. So this is division. Then we have to subtract the powers to get the answer. So 2 to the power 12, 2 to the power k over 2 equals 2 to the power 5. We can rearrange this. 2 to the power 12 divided by 2 to the power 5 equals 2 to the power k over 2. 2 to the power 12 divided by 2 to the power 5 means 12 minus 5 is 7. 2 to the power 7 equals 2 to the power k over 2. If the base is same, the 7 equals k over 2. So 2 into 7, 14, k is 14. Calculate the value of 2.3 into 10 to the power minus 3. Divide by this value, 6 into 10 to the power minus 4. So we can expand these values first. So we can write this minus 3 means 1, 2, 3 come in here. So 0.0023 divided by this. So minus 3 means 1, 2, 3. Here minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, we can use the calculator to get the answer. So this is 3.3823. So now the decimal point is here. That means after non-zero value, almost there. So no change. So it is 10 to the power 0. This is multiplied by 1. We can do other way also. 10 to the power minus 3, 10 to the power minus 4. We can take this one also in 10 to the power minus 4. So what we have to do here, we can take one decimal point this side, then 23 into 10 to the power minus 4. 23 into 10 to the power minus 4. 10 to the power minus 4 is common. So 23 divided by 6.8. We can get the same answer. Simplify 18 to t to the power 8 divided by 4 times t to the power 4. 8 divided by 4 is 2. Then this division, we know the indices are subtracting. And t, 8 minus 4. So 2 into t to the power 4. We know this if bracket is there, this is common to the all these 5 to the power 3 x 12. 5 to the power 3 means 125 x 12. Here 256 we can write in 2 to the power 8 x 256 8 3 over 8. This 8 to 8 cancel. This 8 times 32. So then 3 is there and 2 to the power 3 x 96. 2 to the power 3 is 8. 8 x to the power 96. Simplify. Base is same. This indices add in 2 into 5, 10 x 2 plus 5, 10 x to the power 7. Work out 3 into 10 to the power 199 divided by 2 into 10 to the power 201. Give your answer in standard form. So division means subtraction. 199 minus 201, 10 to the power minus 2. 3 divided by 2 into 10 to the power 199 minus 201. 3 over 2 means 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 2. Decimal point is after non-zero value, no change. The answer is this. Simplify. 343 we can write as 7 to the power 3. 7 into 7 into 7. X to the power 9. This is common. 2 over 3. So 3 to 3 cancel. Here 3 times 3. 7 into x to the power 6. Here this fourth root we can write as 1/4. No? 0.0256 bracket 1/4. Fourth root we can write as power of 1/4. 256 means 4 times 4. 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. This is 0.4. Then 4 decimal points come in. Then 4 to 4 cancel. The answer is 0.4. Right in standard form. So the decimal point should come here. So 1, 2, 3 to the right. Then minus 3. 6.54 into 10 to the power minus 3. The number 1.467 into 10 to the power 102 is written as an ordinary number. Write down the number of zeros that follow the digit 7. Digit 7 means 1, 2, 3 also coming. So minus 3. 102 minus 3 means 99. Number of zeros that follow the digit 7 is 99. Calculate this one. So fourth root means 1/4. We can write this mixed number as a fraction. 16 times 39 plus 1. So this is 625 over 16. 1/4. We can write 5 to the power 4. 2 to the power 4 is common power 1/4. So 4 to 4 cancel. Then 5 over 2 is the answer. So we can write 2.5. Write 243 into 27 to the power 2n as a single power of 3 in terms of n. 3 to the power 5. 27 means 3 to the power 3. This base now same. Then 5 plus 6n is the answer. Simplify. H to the power 2 into h to the power 5. We know the rule. When multiplying the base is same, then this addition, the 2 plus 5 is 7. H to the power 7. 7 over x into power of minus 3. If the power is minus, we have to take the reciprocal to get the plus power. So reciprocal a to the power 8 divided by a to the power p equals a to the power 2. Find the value of p. So base is same, division means subtraction. A to the power 8 minus p equals a to the power 2. Base is same, then 8 minus p equals 2. Then p equals 8 minus 2, 6. P equals 6. Find the value of p when 6 to the power p into 6 to the power 4 equals 6 to the power 28. So this is addition. P plus 4 equals 24. P equals 28 minus 4, 24. I have taken these sums from past papers, 2018 to 2022. Now we know how the power and index and the standard form questions are coming. It is very easy. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. We will meet again with another unit soon.